Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03s, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to choose Advanced Features and tap on one-handed mode. Click on the switcher to activate it and pick one of those options to reduce display size with gesture or button. I will go with buttons. I have to click on it and follow those instructions. Double tap the home button. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is now on. You can always change placement of the screen by tapping on this icon over here. If you want to go back, click on this blurry area. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, just tap at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!